Hello and welcome to Simply Tasty for Picky Eaters. Let's fill our snack stash together. I baked a soft sandwich bread made from fresh milled flour, just how my picky eater likes it. And for my daughter, she's a fan of a crust, so I made a loaf with a nice golden edge. I also prepped some pizza muffin. That's always a fun hit here in our house. I also prepared a cinnamon, sugar, pull apart bread just for a sweet treat or something sweet for the lunchbox. And last but not least, some soft hot dog buns that work great for lunch or snacks. All homemade, simple, and made with love. Follow, like, and check out all the helpful links in the box below. Thanks for being here. See you next time.